Hi and welcome to my first review. Before I start, I want to say I didn't got any money from the hotel, from anyone I will talk about in this video, and I don't even got a request for it. I just make this review video because, spoiler alert, I really love that hotel and I want to show you everything about this hotel and all the stuff around it, and that's why I'm making this review, and I hope you will like it. If it's like this, please press thumbs up and subscribe if you not already did. Some short informations about the hotel. It's an all-inclusive hotel. It's on Crete. It's not far from Heraklion. I think we needed from the hotel with the bus transfer. We needed about 40 minutes. It's on a cave. It's I guess they said they have about 248 rooms. It was really great to see that. First, I want to talk about the hotel complex. We really loved the atmosphere of the hotel. We came there and this hotel is so, how can I say it? It's so cute. When I was there, I felt like I was in a little village built in a cave. There was little houses, everything was, we walked there and it was like little streets and beautiful view and little details I really loved. So for showing you the hotel complex, I made a kind of trailer for the hotel. I will show you now, and maybe it's a little bit dramatic. You know, I love dramatic, I love epic trailers, so I made it a little bit like this. See the epic trailer of the hotel now. What an epic trailer for the hotel. I'm sorry for all the dramatic, but I really needed to do it like that because I really love this. Now to the room. I really loved it. It was really modern and beautiful. One thing I didn't like, the shower. It was a normal shower, and I love rainforest showers, and this was a little bit old, this shower, but it was great and it worked. And we had the pool like you see here. We had a double room with a pool and private pool, and look at this stunning view. We were really happy with this, even in the night when the pool was illuminated. It was really great. One thing I really loved at this hotel, it was the staff. The first days they were a little bit distant, but if you saw them a few days and everything, they were so lovely. And I watched some of them, maybe they didn't know that I watched them, and what I really loved was that they're making jokes, and they were laughing, and some were singing and everything, and it was so lovely to see them. If I see in other hotels, the staff mostly they're friendly, but they're not looking that happy. So I don't know if it's true, I never ask, but for me, the people who working there looked really happy. So I was feeling so happy with them, because it's so rare today in those days to have a job you like. And I'm really happy if they are really happy, and if the atmosphere from working in this hotel is so good that the people were happy. I will talk about the restaurants now. They have 4 restaurants in the hotel. The main restaurant where you can go eat breakfast, lunch and dinner. For the 3 special restaurants, I need to say you can visit them once a week. You had to make a minimum stay from 1 week, and then you can visit once a week those restaurants. First, I will talk about the Jasmine. The Jasmine is an Asian restaurant, mostly Chinese character. It was a really good restaurant. We loved the atmosphere, and the view was really great, and the food was really good too. What we didn't like is, if you watch photos of this restaurant in internet, you always see a huge plate of sushi. So you need to know the huge plate of sushi is not included in the all-inclusive. You will have very good food, and for the starters you can order a little plate of sushi too, that's included. But if you want this huge plate, the sushi plate costs 18 euros. So you need to know that, and you need to order it 1 day minimum before. So, but it was really great, we loved it, and we didn't regret that we ordered it. The next restaurant was the Culinarium. That was a gourmet restaurant with a really stunning view and a great atmosphere. Food was really great, and we enjoyed our evening, and it was good. And I need to say, this dessert was one of the best I ever ate. It was so good, really, really good. The third restaurant, Minoan Greek Tavern, I don't know if I pronounced this correct, that was our totally highlight. This restaurant was so beautiful. We We love the details, we love the Greek music in the background. The starters were tasty. If you are not vegan or vegetarian, you really need to try the lamb. It's fantastic. Everything at this restaurant was really great. That was the only restaurant we visited twice because we loved it so much, and we really can highly recommend this restaurant. So last but not least, the main restaurant. There you can go eat breakfast, lunch and dinner. The buffet is really huge, and I always was, what will I eat, because it was so many, and I really need to look for my belly because I had to eat so much, and this dessert was the biggest highlight I ever seen. And they were not only looking really good, they were really good. Yeah, from the breakfast buffet, my absolutely highlights were the smoothie bar. They made fresh smoothie. You can choose what you want. That was really great. You can make your own Greek coffee with a hot sand. That was really nice too. There was a station you can make your own omelette, not by yourself, but you can say what you want and they made it for you. That was really great too. And the infused water. They had water bottles with different kinds of infused water, with cucumber or lemon and cinnamon and everything, and berries and so many. And it was really great. With this, the lunch buffet was my personal highlight. I don't know why. I'm not a very big lunch eater. I can't really skip breakfast and dinner, but I can skip lunch. But this buffet was so good. I didn't know what to choose first because I wanted to eat everything, but I couldn't. It was really good. They had a pizza station at the Passerella, and the pizza was really tasty. I loved it. Yeah, and the dessert. The dessert, like I said before, it was, you will see, it's fantastic. I don't know. I was talking to my family and I said, I want this guy or girl who's making the dessert, I want to take it with me home. I maybe will get hundreds of tons from my weight, but I want this person at home because it's so good. I can eat it every day. The dinner buffet every day was a special themed. If it's Italian, Spanish, Greek night, or Asian night, they had it. A highlight was they had a huge Parmesan cheese, and they put pasta, anything. They put it in with some every day, some other kinds, and it was really tasty. Yes, that was a really highlight, and I can't say it often enough. The dessert was awesome. We need to go to the gym. So this, I'm only talking positive stuff, but we were so amazed of this hotel, and this gym was so beautiful. You will see it in the video, and wow, it's this view, and there was no air conditioner, I guess, but they had fans at the ceiling, and they had a pool in the gym. And I'm not pretty sure, but I guess it's because of the air condition with the fans and the water, and it was on a hill and there was shining the whole day the sun on, and we had really hot weather. But I was thinking you can't go in there because it was feeling so hot, but it was really okay, and I was really impressed about that. It was really fun to make sports in it, so my workout, and yeah, that was really great. The pools and the bars. We didn't use the pools very much. They have two public pools, one action pool and one relaxing pool only for adults. The action pool we only went 2 times for the bar upstairs. It was a really great location, and it was really nice. There was the animation team too, but because our room was near the relaxing pool, we only stayed there. So like you saw before, we had a room with a private pool, so mostly we have been there in the pool. But for drinking a coffee and everything, we went to the relaxing pool and to the bar there. The staff was really great, it was really friendly, and we really liked to talk to them, even if it's only a little. And yeah, it was really nice. It was a beautiful view. The pool was really nice. It was big and it was deep. I don't know that so much that it's so deep, but it was really great, and you can really relax there. I saw at the relaxing pool on 6:15 I went up for seeing the sunrise, and there were towels on the at the pool before. So you need to get up very early if you want to have a place near the pool, but there are enough place even if you come later, but maybe not directly at the pool, but it's really nice. The beach is not the private beach of the hotel, but you have a really beautiful panoramic walk to this, and you can go there. It's not a really sandy beach, it's more little stones, and it's mostly very full. But we went there, we went snorkeling, we rented a paddle boat. You can see in my vlog. I will link it up here. And it was really nice. If you like to go into the sea, it's a really great place, but it's not a private beach. It's public, but it wasn't, for us, it wasn't a really big. We haven't been often at the Panorama bar. It was only open in the night, and we mostly stayed at the relaxing pool even in the night. So, but it was nice there. The Hairstudio was really nice. I never been to a hair studio before, but I made a treatment for the hair and a little cut. I let it cut a little, and the woman was so lovely, and I felt really comfortable there, and she didn't talk too much, and I really liked it, but she was talking. She was really kind, she was really friendly and nice, and I felt really good there. So if you have the courage to go to the hair studio while vacation, I can recommend to go to her, because it was really great. The shop, they had everything we needed. Wasn't really big, but it was really great, and yeah, we were fine with this, and sometimes we needed to buy something, and it was good. This bar was really nice. I showed you in one of my vlogs, in my last vlog. I will link it here. I can highly recommend it. It was really great atmosphere, the stuff was really nice, and it was really cool because it looks like you're in a cave, and so it was really great. So, and last but not least, there was a photographer in the hotel, and he was I saw him a few days before, and he was always walking there, and he was I was really sure that he will talk to us before to make some beautiful shots, and we said yes, okay, we will do it. You will see it here, and he did such a wonderful job. He is a very distancing person. I don't know if he's watching that. I really liked him. He did a really good job, and the shooting doesn't cost anything, but of course if you want to have the photos you need to pay something, but he's making a good price, and we were really happy to have this beautiful pictures, and we can everyone saying do it if you like to have some beautiful shots, because he's doing a really good job. I totally forgot to tell you about the floating breakfast. Of course, that's not included in the all-inclusive, but it was totally worth it, because look at this view and look at this breakfast, and it was very tasty, and we enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this review. I hope you liked it and you got a little overview of this hotel. See you next time. Bye.